Hi and welcome back to Ash the RS Guy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repack your 2-stroke exhaust. So you will need a drill bits, rivet gun, 10mm spanner, 30mm socket, 30mm spanner and some rivets. So I'm going to start removing the exhaust now. So we need our 13mm socket and our 13mm spanner. Now we get our 10mm, take off the 3 little nuts. So as you can see, I've got it chocked in my clamp, so I'm going to start drilling out the rivets now. So I just realised that taking off this side would have been better than this side, because when you need to put it back together you need to get this pipe onto this piece here. So obviously if this pipe's in the actual exhaust itself, it's held in place and it will be easier to put that on than try and get that lined up with that. So I'm going to take this side off now. The cap off on the other side. So I'm just going to start pulling out all the exhaust packing. So just to explain what I was saying earlier, that this actually slots on top of this. It fits on top like that. So when this is actually inside the exhaust itself, it would be easier to get that lined up than trying to get this whole pipe shoved through the exhaust packing and then try and get it lined up. It's pretty easier to put this. So I've rectified my problem now, so I can start packing the exhaust. So, got some new exhaust packing. Wear gloves with this, as it can make your hands and all that itchy. So I finished the packing now, so we can put the tip on now. So as you can see, there's 2 holes and there's 2 holes here, so that's how you line it up. might need a little bit of a gentle persuasion to be put on. So that last clip you just see, I got called away to do something and then I started doing it again and forgot to record. So I've put it on and I've put in a few rivets, so we can just carry on from here. So we've done the exhaust now, so it's just time to prepare the surfaces for the new gasket. So we've got the exhaust now. Just put that on there. Like that. And then I'm going to do the bolts off camera because I don't think you want to see that. So that's done now, so it's just start it up. The end of the video now, so thanks. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you see anything I've done wrong, please comment down below. Thank you.